Why, hello. How are you? Good morning. I thought we could do alligators A to Z, but we're going to start and do one letter at a time. So we're going to do A today. And A says as in alpaca, as in armadillo, as in ape, as in ants, as in antelope, as in angelfish, as in anteater. So, can you find what swims in the ocean? Which one of these animals swim in the ocean? Animal starts with A. A says as in angelfish, who swims in the ocean. So, there's your letter A. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you next time.